In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Calendar in Notion, which is a valuable skill for anyone looking to integrate these two powerful tools seamlessly. This tutorial is simple and perfect for beginners who want to organize their workflow effectively. Let's get started right away. First, you'll need to have your Google Calendar open. If you're not familiar with Google Calendar, it is a versatile tool used by many people to keep track of their schedules, appointments, and important events. By embedding it into Notion, you can have easy access to your calendar while working on your Notion projects without having to switch between tabs constantly. So once you've opened Google Calendar, you're ready for the next step. Now let's copy the Embed link from your Google Calendar settings. To do this, look for the settings icon, usually found at the top right of your calendar view. Once you're there, find the section for the calendar you want to embed. You'll see options to customize the calendar's display, and you'll need to look for a section labeled Integrate Calendar. Here, you'll find the Embed link. It may be labeled as a public URL or iframe, depending on how your settings are configured. Copy this link, as it's what you'll need when you switch over to Notion. Now that you have the Embed link, we can switch over to Notion. If you're new to Notion, this platform serves as a powerful tool for organizing notes, databases, tasks, and more. It's incredibly versatile, and one of its standout features is its ability to seamlessly incorporate external content, such as a Google Calendar. In Notion, navigate to the page where you want to embed your calendar. Typing Embed into Notion initiates a command that allows you to insert a variety of content types, including links to external sites, documents, and multimedia. Once you type Embed, you'll be prompted with an option to paste a link. This is where you'll paste the link you copied from Google Calendar. Take the time to carefully paste the link to ensure it's correct. After pasting, press the Enter key or click Embed to confirm your action. You should now see your Google Calendar displayed directly on your Notion page. This enables you to view your schedule without leaving Notion, offering a smooth and integrated workflow experience. Embedding your Google Calendar in Notion not only makes your schedule accessible, but also helps keep everything you need in one place, enhancing productivity and ensuring you never miss an important date. And there you have it, a straightforward method to keep your Google Calendar and Notion perfectly in sync. Thanks for joining in on this tutorial, and happy organizing!